What if gray hair wasn't something to hide but a new chapter to embrace? Did you know the average woman uses 12 beauty products daily, exposing herself to over 100 unique chemicals? The good news is there's a better way, a natural, sustainable path to transform not just your hair but your confidence. I'm thrilled to guide you on this journey to chemical-free beauty today. I understand the frustration of battling gray hair and the toll of damaging chemical dyes. My hair felt brittle, lifeless, and my confidence took a hit. Everything changed when I discovered the power of Ayurveda and Henna, a natural solution that didn't just restore my hair but also my mindset. Today, I'm here to show you how you can start your own journey to vibrant, healthy hair that reflects your true self. Here's the truth. Chemical dyes don't just color your hair, they strip it of nutrients, leaving it weaker and more vulnerable with every application. Beyond the physical damage, gray hair often feels like a fight you can't win. But you're not alone in this, and you don't have to settle for damaging solutions. There's a natural way forward that's effective, nourishing, and safe. Henna is so much more than a dye, it's a natural healer for your hair. Strengthens, nourishes, and colors without any of the harsh chemicals. Imagine running your fingers through soft, vibrant hair that's as healthy as it looks. Whether you're new to henna or unsure where to start, I'll show you just how easy it is to make this shift and achieve the results you deserve. I get it, switching to something new can feel intimidating. Maybe you've heard that henna is messy, or you're worried it won't work for your hair type. That's exactly why we created Henna Cosmetics. Our products are designed for easy application and vibrant, consistent results with expert guidance to help you avoid the guesswork. You'll finally achieve the look you love, naturally and effortlessly. You've seen how powerful natural solutions